everyone. So it is day 23. We're nearly at the end. Oh, I hope you've all enjoyed the quick little videos that I've been doing of the openings, and I hope it wasn't too early in the morning or wherever you may be. So let's just jump straight in. So I'm going to start with the mixed one first. So yeah, these are still new products. Let me know what you've picked up so far, and yeah, what you plan to pick up. So let's have a look together. Oh, some more little bows. I love her little bows. I've got so many, and look at these red ones. They are so cute. Really, really cute. I have lots of her bows. Oh, I have so many of her products, but I really, really like them. They're really, really pretty red. Oh, my mum's going to be all over these. Her favourite colour is red, so she's going to be like, they're mine. So I've lost them already. I'll just have to buy some more. So let's have a look at what the new glitter mix is today. And if I can get in it. And we'll have a look together. Are you ready? Oh, silver pointed stars. Oh, now they're pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow. Look at them. So I will quickly get a nail set up and just quickly do like I don't know, just a quick nail something. I won't use the bows, I'll just use these, and yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the quick swatch I did. I just randomly put one of Charlie's other foils on the nail. It's Midnight Wish. I just thought being a sky, and I just randomly did it, so you know, I've got that patchy look. And then just place some stars, and yeah, just top coated. Well, let me know your thoughts down below on these two. Do you like them? I like them, and they're really nice. I really like these bows as well. They are super, super cute. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and we're going to open our last and final date tomorrow. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye. I'll post a couple of pictures at the end. Bye.